We are Jellical cats. Our team has 5 members. Yiqi, Xinyu, Qiwei, Aditya, and Fangxuan are our excellent translators. Aditya is also the editor and proofreader. Fangxuan also takes the role as the project manager. In the past month, we worked for a UK company to translate 5 songs from Cats the Musical. In this video, we are going to talk about the lessons we learned from this project. The first challenge was about the term base. We were given the term base in an Excel document, and we needed to convert it into a Trados readable format. We failed at the first try because we forgot to add language codes on the top. We failed a second time because we mistook ZN as the language code for Chinese, while the correct one should be ZH.
The second challenge we faced was about pseudo-translation. When we adjusted the folders and pseudo-translated the files for the first time, we noticed the title of one song was split into 2 segments because of the colon. So we ran another pseudo-translation. This time, we removed colon in the segmentation rules, and the problem was solved. Apart from problems, there are also things that we did well. For example, also for the pseudo-translation part, there are comments in the original files that don't need to be translated. We set the folders in the right way so that the comments weren't extracted for translation in Trados. Other than that, we also successfully translated the files in Trados by creating 5 different packages for individual translator to work on.
Another problem we encountered was that as 2 of our team members returned their packages, Trados showed that these 2 files were still in translation. The progress for File 4 and File 1 was 95% and 0% respectively, as we can see in this slide. But both translators have finished their translation. It turned out that they forgot to confirm their translation, as one missed one sentence and the other didn't confirm it at all. The solution was quite simple. Our project manager reviewed and confirmed each translation, and now 4 progress bars are all 100%.
Lyrics in Chinese songs do not have punctuations. Therefore, during review process, we removed the punctuations from translation in order to meet the industry convention. In QA settings, we set the length of target segment to 18 characters. While preparing the return package, we encountered an error. It said the current length is 19 characters. It was because of a comma here. We removed it and the problem was solved.
Our team divided the original files into 5 individual projects for translation. As individual translators, each of our team members updated the original term base that we received from the client and contributed to the glossary in our respective Trados project. However, as we tried to harmonize our work afterwards, we found out that the updated term bases could not be delivered back to the project manager together with the return packages. As the SDL website suggests, when you create a return package, it only includes the project files and not the translation memory, term bases, or auto-suggest dictionaries. Therefore, in order to provide the client with an updated version of the term base as we have promised in the proposal, we updated the term base as a team after harmonizing the translated files. This problem partly results from the imperfection of Trados as a CAT tool, and we, as a group of professional translators and loyal users of SDL Trados, Sincerely hope that Trados could make some amendment in this regard that make the lives of translators and editors even easier.